How to fix RegioBank app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check if app is up to date or not. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now at the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name RegioBank and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of iPhone Storage. Over here, you're going to find different apps that are installed on a device. Find the app RegioBank. After you find it, open it. Then click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Uploading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from a device and reinstall it. To do that, go ahead and click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from a device. Now you can close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app RegioBank. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix RegioBank app not working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.